Hello, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and I'll show you how to check the battery temperature of this device. First, you should go to the Play Store and here in the search pool type the Ampere. So now we have to get this application, so tap to install and you have to wait a few seconds while this is installing. Now we just tap to open, yes I agree, tap to close, and here tap to the OK on the left down corner. Now you can see here the information. If you will swipe with your finger on the left side, you'll see this information one more time. So you can see here the temperature of your phone, the health, the model, the Android version, and more information. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.